Apeka where you Kumase, Momianko Kumase, Niamusa Jandam is dead. Where you Kumase, Abranti way or Kumase a fitting shop be, and he has shown to say Ghana for to see ano Yajun be Obia to me and that die, Obia and to me and that Ghana for. Make sure Abranti way, me person me check 1,000 Ghana Cedis. On function on front of data. Now on TikTok more. Now on critique on one page. Now on my Ghana for who's a sebio, and your mom bought tight TV so. And I say almost sebio, almost on school, and Niminyansa, a far air de amebu. Now sebio, you don't have to be a bank manager. You don't have to be a lecturer. You don't have to be a suffer or to be a big person. You have to be a Ghanaian who is rational. Why do you need Juma? And I'm looking for this gentleman, something between 1,000 Ghana and 2,000 Ghana. I'll just dash it to him for him to go find some data for himself for the education he has given his colleagues. The fitting shop, Bibi Ano. This is Kumasi.
This guy, where I come from? Yes, I'm a guy. Anybody for my move. I provoke quality as one of your man. So, napo comfort. But mama, them are many plans free turkey by. What they say, what if you was seven Bessie? What's in the board they turkey bread? Now, what if you was seven Bessie? I'm not sure. What if you was seven Bessie? I'm not sure. Nobody send the free turkey by. No, now I want to aircraft. Come here, for Jao.
Why for an aircraft?
81,000. What's the dictator? Dictator. 81,000. Let come, man. You have my but Mesa, you have my oh, my pontia, anybody in 2 years on a ponti. I know my second on the back was with my neck. Rapontia, man. Crayon numbers, I'm on ponti. Some of the other was with her. I feel I could of a cat, Mister. Why am you? 8 years, I give me some of a candy professor, of a very fact, of a candy club, me can I people communicate a crab, don't me 8 years, most like take it tired, man.
Nakasa.
Take it tired, man. 8 years. Anybody to 1,000. And then I get 10 years of a cable. I don't remember Yano. I communicate a bit on the very on the Yano. Oh, 8 years. Napo farm many plant free, what's the way you see? I'm going to Mama, not the free. Take by. Then, ma'am,
that's how we are NGs now. We are fitted. Well, we are going to now. We are. Yet to I said, first, what you got Mama and opportunities and answer also. They said it is a move. As to focus PA campaign. Yakasama, Mama, Yakasama. Bawumia Baby, I said, Decata. Bawumia made a million to I said, Decata. It is possible. Oh, dear. When you saw me touch a new Macatama Santinisa, it is possible. Oh, dear. Free education. Free education.
Free education. I got some crowns of videos. I'm some mamma, you dear Diana Papa. I've been on rice. I'm saying, dear brown rice. Oh, videos room. I'm saying, dear brown rice, dear Diana Papa, and dear Papa. Mamma, some mummy and oh, boy. Hey, Massa Mamma, the movie, my oh, boy. About me, I'm quite a home, which is the Penina. Movie, I'm a Kennedy. Why?
Master Baji 2,000 could you say no cry and I'm enjoying me home? Where Santimemu, Jandam is dead. My catcher NPP for Omjin say Asantifo Jimmy. Abrante baby obia Ombra Maji 2,000 go to date and seno. On Dimfanko di Moon seno. And this is what we call people being enlightened. You see, and I'm not saying say Nipa say NDC call wrong and he needs to speak out. But many wajini say nipa say we Jimmy for. And that is what NPP omajini yomo. We muna huwa musano, they control Ghana. Omu na mukotia e-levy no. Omu na mukotia betting tax no. Omu na mukotia light bill no. Omu na yeti omu sikadeshe ekufuwa kwa champagne no safmafo. So these are the people who run the country. Until when they tell you say you are doing something that is not right, listen to them and hear their problems. Until na mujin sa santifoye nkwasiafo we are santimemu. And there are millions of Papa way and our branch way or more santimemu. Mamunya margin say, Jandam near atro and I'm the better Ghana NPP and fat mumba power beam. Because with all due respect, I then will because me NPP ni, me a santini, and the NPP no every time. It is because we're putting him tia It is because consistently what nipa say oyekwasia, and that when they raise issues even about their wuya enya, o chen say we Jimmy say obusa when people say, aden now their wuye enye. And you see, now the dynamics in politics na sesa, it is not about Otumfo, mameka bi binche Ghana for any asantemine. Otumfo say to ye see na hene. Ope infantefo hene eto omsa from mo ye paramount chiefs a me papa eka honom ko kosi Otumfo hene. My father was there. There's no way I have to sit here and say politics in tea may disrespect to Otumfo. But that also will not take a son credit from me. Say, BB because was Santimea Mamenka. It is an NPP for Batiasia. We are doing politics, sir. It is not about tribe and I say akunyao. Inti the idea na ewo mutimu say so be kassetia NPP. Na okasetia the NPP ye. Into wakasetia menshia no ene ne begu party no. Because asantini ana Ghana ni onim nyansa no. There is no way or de menshia ebetare NPP ho. Never. Asantini a onim nyansa a ope Ghana yi ope so ochechire Ghana no. Onfa menshia enye den en decide sene e wo se ochechire Ghana. With all due respect to menshia eya himfie. And until they do some time, now the NPP for your argument, me say, I woke say NPP nim, and I woke Samakesi, now what did you do for them? I tell you, said that cannot win you power. Because you see, Asantinina or some Sikajano, or no on some ayadien, on some president. And when I say on some president, it does not mean unrespected president. Only the or who's an enton anana konya and awesome or pakunyano. It does not mean say oni kania and it's okasa. It does not mean say otia etwa and it's etwono yemfanya dwuma and it's okasa. It is a wide junior say so be a santinin kwadia or some sikeja or say technically automatically obey NPP nia. No more NPP for no more Jimmy. Because if you're not able to separate the two, what is going to happen is when the people are telling you the reality, you might think that they are rather insulting you. And no, you people are not willing to understand the reality. Into me, time and your time. Jimmy. You still don't understand the dynamics. Be a politics, you people, majority of the people in the NPP, no. My junior that to the point is a say, and with all due respect to Asante NPP for the Asantinin Kwandi with Jimmy. And that is something that the NPP for Oma build in their party. Oh, where do you say Asantini or NPP ni? Automatic. It is how you Asantini na on your NPP ni. That is the impression NPP for creating. And it's now to meet or say mensa bonsu. No about bontene. Oh, Asante for mutuaba NDC. You are not supposed to speak like that, especially when the party is from a town or a city that is cosmopolitan, a city that attracts every tribe, every person, every individual from different backgrounds, religious, political, business, different backgrounds meeting at Kumasi. And it's the NPP for say the majority of Asante for Mapano Omundoso, assassin so. Say the ma Asante eye Asante ye kese no eye the number of afrafo amanfrafo mo ti Asante. So the strength of Asante is the strength that comes from outside. And yet omuamuti Asante. And it's the NPP asem na nipebu Asante memu jitum say aya de Asante for the atama me say we Jimmy. Una go tell we Jimmy because you alone and your group with all due respect say Asante for won't mean twaba and for NPP mba power. You can't do it. It can never happen and it will never happen unless you take or you consider other people you live with. You consider the intelligence of other people you live with, do business with. That is the only way you understand the say. Sadia na ye nyina no ye ede ape bibi. Inti debia catch the MP before say until you people will detach the party from a chieftaincy, the party in the modern day Ghana will collapse. And then I make them say I will help the party to collapse because you see at a point people were speaking against Menshia, nani pebi di Otumfo atem all because of NPP. Otumfo said to Ofa, eye opoku ware tiase, na me tiase, na me we, na me a young boy. Nobody could in any day or any time link the NPP to Menshia, even though we knew say NPP ni tino Menshia. In recent times, it is because of the way NPP4 have aligned with Menchia, and the way Menchia has also allowed itself for NPP to align itself with it, it has given people the room to use words that are unprintable at Otufo. Because you see, say the moment Menchia would draw the line and be like, fine, party no yetina santimemu nemum amanyosem ene ahinisem no eduru bebria mundi mu ahinisem mamanyosem na ohinintina ni baby. But the moment the NPP is not able to do that, the moment they are not able to do that, the party will collapse. Because me girlfriend be no wa santimemu no ya kroboni ne papa ya santin ne papa yire ya santini saa girl no ne papa na ya kroboni no tia santimemu no saa girl no so ni nua be ma ya kroboni a waware mfantini wa santimemu. Until the moment you make the party look like, say, a Santi4 party, you are rather disintegrating the party. And the party started getting weaker from 2014. It started getting weaker and it started becoming weaker and weaker because the NPP thought to say,